I only had chemistry today, and it was about electronegativity mostly. We're getting into the 3D drawings probably next class and in 2 more classes maybe. But today was more of like 2D version of that. We had to know about the electron negativity to understand how electrons move or toward which atoms they're attracted to in the molecule. Mostly covalent molecules because they're more specific in how they react and how the electrons are arranged. And we kind of have to know how to draw them. Obviously, notice the Lewis structure for where the electrons are before they even combine and after they combine. So basically, the more electronegative, the more they attract electrons, and the ones that are less electronegative are usually the ones in the center of a molecule. And we learned about the formal charge from the other class. Today was more about how these formal charges also play in how many plus or minuses are there in the total molecule. And that's where we have the dipolar properties. So we also learned a lot about the polar system. Well, not polar system, but more polar means there's more uneven sharing of electrons. So if it is non-polar, which is the normal covalent non-polar, that means the electrons are shared completely equally or evenly within the molecule. And if the more the charge are higher, the more it is dipolar, the more it's ionic. So like the covalent, although it's like a non-metal and a non-metal, it could have a really ionic character because of how because of their polar properties basically.